Now I am going to start a new topics polygon. So before starting worksheet 2, we will learn some points in polygon. So first, we will define polygon. A polygon is a closed flat shape with straight edges. Closed means there are no gaps in shape. शेप में कोई गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. Each polygon is given a name depending upon how many sides it has. हर एक पॉलीगॉन का, प्रत्येक पॉलीगॉन का जो नेमिंग किया जाता है वो निर्भर करता है उसके नंबर ऑफ साइड्स पर. उसमें कितना साइड्स है, हाउ मेनी साइड्स इट दिस पार्टिकुलर फिगर हैज. ए 3 साइडेड पॉलीगॉन इज ए ट्रेंगल. 3 साइडेड वाले पॉलीगॉन को ट्रेंगल कहा जाता है. इन सच ए 4 साइडेड पॉलीगॉन इज ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल. When a polygon has 5 or more sides, the names follow a simple pattern. A 5-sided polygon is called a pentagon. A 6-sided polygon is called a hexagon. A 7-sided polygon is called a heptagon. A 8-sided polygon is called a octagon. A 9-sided polygon is called a nonagon. A 10-sided polygon is called a decagon, and so on. It is important to learn prefixes. Suppose I am saying a 8-sided polygon is called a octagon. So word octagons, octa means 8, and octa is prefix of this word octagon. Octa is octagon word का prefix है. What is meaning of such prefixes? Penta means 5, hexa means 6, hepta means 7, octa means 8, nona means 9, deca means 10. When a polygon has large number of sides, you can just call it an n-gon. A 20-sided polygon is a 20-gon. A 38-sided polygon is 38-gon. कह रहा कि अगर किसी भी पॉलीगॉन का में बहुत सारे साइड्स हों, मोर देन 10 साइड्स, तो यू कैन जस्ट कॉल इट एन गॉन. एन नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. 20-sided पॉलीगॉन इज ए 20 गॉन. ए 38-sided पॉलीगॉन इज 38 गॉन. Polygon practices. Here is given one figure. Is this a polygon? No, because it has curve edge. इसका एक किनारा जो है क्या है, ये कर्व है. And other boundaries are straight. One, this is curve. And in definition, what was given? A straight edge. It should not be curve. So this is not a, it has curve edge. So this is not a polygon. Look at this figure. A straight edge is given, but it is not closed. It has open figure, not closed figure. So this is also not a polygon. यह भी polygon नहीं है. now I am giving some figure here. Look at first figure. This is triangle. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3. Three-sided polygon. So this is triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is four-sided polygon. This is quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five-sided polygon. This is pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six-sided polygon. This is hexagon. If all the sides of polygon are equal, then it is a regular polygon. अगर polygon का सभी साइड इक्वल हो तो इसको कहा जाता है रेगुलर polygon. Then we will proceed for worksheet 2.